Hey guys, it's Darren the window cleaner here, window cleaning in Nottingham and Derbyshire. Today, quick product review of our one-shot remote system for operating our water pumps in the van. As you can see, we're on a job here, and I don't know if you can see this, but my water actually, you see the steam coming off of there, actually runs hot. And the only issue with that is when I bought this hose back when, as you can see, my hose is green because my company colours are green, I didn't think about getting hose pipe that was rated for hot water, and this one isn't. So we have we have a univalve fitted in the pole here. But when we use that, what will happen is, in fact, I'll try and demonstrate it here, is if we turn that off, there we go, just stood on it, lifted it up a bit there. But what's going to happen here, you can watch closely, you can see the hose is going to start taking a life of its own, and it's going to expand under the pressure and the heat here. I'm not touching this at all, as you can see, but there we go. It's going to expand and start kinking and so on and so forth. As the pressure inside it builds up, the heat builds up and it expands. So I'm going to use the univalve to let that off. You can see the shear pressure coming out there now that it's releasing itself. And that's going to settle back down. It won't unkink, but it's going to settle back down. So to solve this, when we're on jobs, that hose getting all kinked up, number one, it puts stresses in the hose, and number two, then you've got to go around and untangle every last kink so that you can get your hose working again properly. So instead, we had the one shot laying about in the garage. We wired it up to the van, and as you can see here, our van is down over the other side of the garage over here. We're just heading back to there. So what we do is literally just click of the button there, famous last words, one click of the button, and as we can see, there goes the water. The pressure goes down, but the hose isn't expanding and kinking like it was before because it's not full. There's no pressure in the hose now. It's all come to push itself out. You can see where the van's at. Let me just come along here through a couple of walls. It's how well the one shot works. We found that we've never had a problem with range on the one shot yet. I know a couple of lads have claimed they have, but and I don't disbelieve them for any reason, but we haven't. Now let me just stand that on the mirror there. This is all it is. This is our little one shot box here. This is what talks to our remotes at the other end. This is wired up here into our controller, and basically it fires the pressure switch on the controller to stop the water coming out. So we're going to give our remote another little hit. Don't know if you heard that tiny little click there. You can hear the system firing back up again. And we'll go back to the brush head and the water's coming out. So it is a great water saving device, especially if you're running hot water through hose that's designed for cold. We will be changing our hose later in the year, but this is just one simple fix for it. Anyway, hope you found this useful and interesting. Any comments, guys, please drop them in the boxes below down there. As you can see, yeah, down there. If you like what we do, please subscribe. And thanks for watching. Have a great week, guys. Take care.